some yummy chocolate milk. We'll then keep watching this video to find out. So, yes, it's cooking with Ronnie. And yeah, it's only me, Ronnie. Sorry, Rena's not in this video. But anyways, the things you need to make chocolate milk. Oh, by the way, today is National Milk Chocolate Day. But we're gonna be reversing the words for chocolate milk. Anyways, the things you need is a spoon, a mug. I'm using this mug. No, it doesn't need to be microwavable safe. You need some Hershey syrup, chocolate flavored, of course, and you need milk. This is the milk I'm using, the whole grade A milk, whole milk, and that's all you need. So the first step is you want to pour your milk into your cup. You can leave the spoon in the mug if you want to, but anyways, as you can see, I poured the milk to the cup. You can pour how much milk you want, but based on the bottle, it says to pour 8 ounces right there. It's a little hard to see, but you can, and yes, it's covered. Sorry. And you can put how much milk you want. Then you want to put the Hershey syrup in. Oof. You can put how much Hershey syrup you want in. It says to put 1 tablespoon, but you can put in how much you would like. I'm going to put in a lot. The more you add, the more chocolate it will be. Now it's time to mix that. So get your spoon, start mixing. You want to mix at the bottom so everywhere will become chocolatey. And you want to keep mixing that. Okay, once it's all mixed up, it should be kind of round, like this. And there you have it. But before you drink your delicious milk, you want to clean up all your things. There you have it, yummy chocolate milk. But if you want it to be warm chocolate milk, which is called hot chocolate, or hot cocoa, or whatever way you call it, you will need to obviously make this the same recipe in a microwavable safe cup. And then you want to microwave it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. If it's not hot enough, you can warm it up for about 30 more minutes. But you don't want it boiling hot. And there you go, how to make your chocolate milk. It tastes yummy. I hope you liked this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below video idea. No hate or swearing in the comments down below. And if you didn't check this, I don't know what's called again. Oof, I'm so sorry. But anyways, I said that the new channel we talked about in the last video about the channel called Eat. The first video has been posted. I'll try to link it in the description down below, but lately linking the channel hasn't been working. Tried, but yeah, but I hope it will. Twinkie Shop email will also be down there if you want more info about this. And we'll try to make a video about the Twinkie Shop soon. I think that's all I have to say. Happy hot shot. Oof, I'm sorry I keep messing up. So if this video is bad in any ways, but I hope you like this video again. And yeah, I hope I didn't forget anything. That's all. I thought you would like to see some guests. Hi. Let's go see Cloudy. And that's the nice TT. He's right here. It's hard to see him since he's back. And no, I'm not being racist. Well, if you don't know who those pets are, you can look in the description down below. I'll also link their videos. But anyways, bye!